Alright, you call it.
Okay. Oh my god, we're basically in the same line again. Just going to the left a tiny bit instead of the right a tiny bit. And if we have to veer off, we can veer to the complex above it.
Alright.
I'm not seeing anyone joining us for the drop. I watched everyone else.
I do.
You do?
Yeah, straight to the south, up probably 100 meters.
Oh, I see him. It's only him from what I can see so far. He might have his teammate around. He's veering off. Because he's getting smaller. Actually, no, I'm just not going towards Gaka the right way.
Yeah, you and I were doing the same thing.
Oh, yeah, there's both of them.
So then...
Want to take them or veer? Let's veer and then take them. Veer to this complex above, and then we can take them out.
North, yeah. No vehicle, which means the circle's going to be all the way on the other side of the map.
Yep. It's usually how this goes. First thing I found was a ×2. That's nice. My building's being somewhat nice to me.
Mine's not.
I need a bag. That's what I need. As I say it, it's like it was meant to be. Found a bag and a level 2 police vest in the same room.
Say you need something else, because you said a bag and I found a bag, so say you need something else.
I'd like a rifle or an SMG.
Holy shit, we're in the circle.
Oh man. Decent. We're towards the edge, but that's not what matters. Ah, level 2 helmet. A lot of different types of grenades and attachments right here. Tell me if you find like what's the word? Tell me if you find a vector or something.
I just found an ump.
Ah, pretty. For some reason, I'm just craving a vector right now. Extend a quick draw for your ump right here. Well, I didn't find an SMG or a rifle or anything. I still want to go take those dudes at Gaka, though.
Come here.
Oh my.
There you go, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, I found that.
You don't know how much sin
I
has
love
just been
potatoes.
on those people. Hey, what's up? Because I now have a fully decked out ump, thanks to you.
Oh, shit.
Nice.
So let's go hunt those dudes down. I have a silencer. And I see them. I think I see one of them.
Where?
No, that's just the fence. But I want to kill these dudes.
you have a
And I have a silenced ump. ×2.
Awesome.
I'm going to start pushing. See if I can't get a view on one of them. If I get a view, I'm just going to pick them.
Go for it.
Easy peasy pick'ems. I feel like they probably aren't done looting yet because they had less buildings or more buildings to loot than we did.
I agree.
Unless they just grabbed and ran. I see one.
Where?
Downed him. I have no idea where his teammate
his buddy
is.
pushed out of the gray
I
house.
see him, I
in the
see him.
back. Walk me into him.
Got him. They're dead.
Good work.
Get wrecked, boys.
Sounds like at least he had a rifle for you.
Yeah, the one that I killed before he could even do anything had an M16, and then the other one, oh, you're right, you had his body. I kind of forgot where I killed him. Sick.
There you go. And then where was the other one?
Over by the RV behind it, I'm pretty sure is where he was.
I don't see anybody.
It was by this rock. Over here, straight ahead of me, right over here. The only other thing he has on him is a Vector. Actually, hold on. If any of them have 9mm, I need that.
Unfortunately, I gave him all my
sick.
money. Hey, if he
Nah,
has that
dude.
extended quick draw mag, that would be awesome in my Vector.
Yeah, I still have a spare one on me here. I'll drop it on the ground away from his body, so that it's easier to pick up. Right on me, there's an extended quick draw. Sick. Thanks for scoping out the other one, because I don't know if I would have been able to see him. Well, that makes up for last game, I guess.
Brings you back to a whopping 1.
Yeah. I'm just proud because I held right click to the first dude that was running. I suck when it comes to scoping on people that are running. So I was like, screw it. I just held right click, ding, 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 hit him almost every single shot.
Dude,
Right before he got behind the rock.
The over-the-shoulder ADS in this game is garbage, man.
It is, but I personally like it whenever it comes to a certain range. Like, it's actually saved my life multiple times.
If you have a spare vert grip, that would be awesome.
No, I don't
Just
have
found
one. Sick. There we go. Alright, we should start heading further north.
Agree.
Let's go out the right side of Georgia Pool. So, at that blue dot. Yay. We done did a good.
I've got 45 rounds of 9mm for you, I picked up.
Oh, don't worry. I got 312 shots.
Then I'm just gonna dump it in this field.
Yeah, that's totally fine. I have my M16A4 as well if I need to back up to a different gun because I'm out of ammo for some odd reason.
If you find a tac stock, I could use one.
Yeah, totally.
And I've got an AKM, so.
Alright, cool. I'll tell you if I find parts for other those. What type of meds do you have right now?
1 first aid kit, 10 bandages, 1 painkiller, 4 energy drinks.
Alright, so we're both set for meds as well. Sick. All we need now is better gear again. Level 3 stuff, or level 2 if you don't have level 2 stuff.
I've got a level 2 vest that's slightly damaged. Hey,
Yeah.
hey, no.
Neither of them hit me because
They're-
one of them didn't even see me. He just started running. Then the other dude was a really, really bad shot.
There you go.
Frying pan in here. Do I have a frying pan? I don't. No, I did. Come in here
Yep.
if you need one.
Yep.
And a level 2 bag. 2 level 2 bags. M416 in here. If you want it.
No.
If
that's
not,
you.
I'm gonna switch.
That's you, man. You rock 5.56. I'll take 7.62 this match. That way we're not
Alright.
sharing ammo.
Yeah, I like the M416 versus the M16A4. You are right, it is a better gun. It even has a better iron sight, in my opinion.
Yeah. The M16 is just garbage.
I mean, I can use it, I've done wonders with that gun. Sorry. It just... Eh. I like this one better. It just feels better. It sounds cooler,
Yeah.
too.
The iron sight is actually useful.
Mm-hmm. Flash hider for an AR, if you want it.
I've got one. You take it.
Alright.
Alright. Do you need a spare
Yeah.
sight? I just dropped a hollow.
Yeah, sure.
It's right here.
I just did a sneeze.
Alright, we might be getting to the part where we're gonna start seeing people, so.
I know.
You don't have any spare magnification, do you?
Nah, ×2. That's all I got.
Alright.
If I can get a ×4, this is the sniper rifle.
Yeah, I personally prefer the suppressed as my primary secondary. If that makes any sense at all. Actually,
Yeah.
actually, if I have a suppressed that is my primary weapon.
Yeah, right now it is my primary. I back up to my M416 if I need another.
Yep.
If I need to do more shootings without.
Yep.
Yeah, basically if I need more power or if I'm seen. Although if you just do headshots, it doesn't really matter. Another level 2 helmet. Oh baby. You want this ×2? Got a ×4, so I have the sniper rifle.
Yeah, that ×2 would be nice.
Yeah, I'm coming over to you. We are still in zone. It curved towards us.
That's nice. Incoming motorcycle.
Here. ×2 on the ground. I see the bike. It crashed itself up in the trees a little bit, and it's still driving. If only they'd flipped it, that'd have been hilarious. Because then they would have been dead up there in the water. They'd be just freaking... They'd be dead. But they're moving.
I dropped all my bandages.
It's alright. I just have 5 on me just in case.
I have 2 first aid kits, so if you need one.
I have 2 as well. I like to keep bandages just in case I take a little bit of damage and I don't want to waste a first aid.
No, I feel you, but my pack is full, so.
Oh yeah, totally. Oh, I'm gonna go back to the houses.
I ain't scared.
I'm not scared. There just wasn't any other cover for me in there.
That's about where the drop is.
Yeah, right. Probably not a good idea to chase it.
No, it's not. I was just telling you.
Alright, good to know. Is it bad that I still don't know what zeroing does?
So when you adjust your zero, it compensates for distance. So you know how if they're far away, how you kind of have to put your crosshairs over them?
Yeah.
You can adjust your zero to that distance and put your crosshair right where you want it to hit.
That makes me retarded.
A little bit.
Only a little bit. We still
Don't
love
worry.
you.
Don't worry, I know I am. Alright, where do we want to go?
I have a puzzle piece in my car and everything. Sticker on the card.
I put blue on the 3 house by the bridge, just in case we need to move north. Hopefully it curves down towards our side. That's what I'd hope. Oh my. Down southeast 150/south.
That's on this opposite ridge. I'm thinking it's like right in this area.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too. Not worth it. Staying over here.
Yep.
I need a bush. Here's a bush. Oh, this is a great bush.
Man, I kind of have to take a whiz.
Rip.
I'm gonna try to wait till after this match.
Yeah. Lemon, you go and join us once we're
Yeah.
done?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, I just totally spaced out and forgot what I was looking at my computer. Shotgun fight.
Where is this circle gonna go?
I'm gonna predict around the blue somewhere.
I kind of agree.
It'd be nice if it was on our side of it, though.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
It's not, but we can dream. It was. Oh my god!
That's kind of intense.
Let's go to the mountain. Either that or just stay up here. Actually, let's just stay up here.
Yeah, we don't really
Salmon.
have the equipment for a mountain sit.
No, I mean, I have a ×4, that's about it.
You want to hold this house?
The yellow one, preferably.
That's what I meant.
Yeah.
There's no cover, there's no cover in that blue one.
Nope.
This room's clear.
Why can't I see my character in the mirror? Keeping these side doors open so we can look out windows to other directions. Then Tele 2V gets its team wipe. If anyone's going to be coming from anywhere, it's from the direction of that yellow dot.
Yeah, probably.
So I'm going to sit and watch out this window, see if anyone comes over that ridge.
Oh, I have to pee.
How fast do you think you can do it?
I can do it in 48 seconds. Less than.
Go. I got you. Go, 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 go. Now, Lemon,
Yeah, it's
as I say that, this is when 4 teams roll up on us and kill us.
probably knowing your luck.
Well, there's the gunshots.
Now we're just waiting for the tea.
I'm just waiting for the people to come up over that ridge and slaughter us. Oh, there's more there's team number 2.
How many teams can fit in this place?
Up on the mountain where I wanted to go camp. I'm spooked. Longest 48 seconds of my life.
I'm back.
Oh, good. I was telling Lemon, I was like, yeah, this is when 4 squads roll up on us and kill us. Well, I've already heard 3 sets of gunshots from different directions. Like the instant you left.
Whoa, that car shot was close.
Yeah. We got dude up the mountain, down the ridge towards Yellow, and northeast / 30ish.
You gotta be kidding me.
The zone is still on us.
And this is where we die.
Yep, this is the last complex, no, second to last complex in the zone. People are going to start pushing it. Very, very quickly.
That car's up the mountain somewhere.
I know.
It's an M24.
Oh, it is. I'm trying to... I'm scared. I'm horrified right now. Our dumb luck of zone is going to get us killed because the zone itself just isn't good. We were just lucky enough to be camping in the buildings that it's stopping in. So many play zone dyers.
And the M24 does not have an extended mag in it. You count 5 shots and a pause.
Yep.
Alright, that is a suppressed right behind us.
Where? What direction?
To our south.
Oh, God. Just try to avoid being seen.
Yeah. I heard footsteps just outside the house.
This is me moving.
You hear those suppressed shots?
I don't. It's closer to you than it is to me.
He's close too.
There's a lot of sniper rifles.
It's just 2. It's 1 car and 1 M24.
No, I hear a third car. We're gonna have to move after this one. We've got to.
That's alright, that's alright.
I heard the bullets whiz past the building. They're right down the hill. We barely have to move. We can wait in here. Those people in the other complex have to be, like, nutting right now.
Yeah. Is that an M24?
Sounds like it. Or an M249.
That's what I meant, that's what I meant.
$19 left means there's at least 1 solo. There's that silence dump.
God, is he close.
I see the direction. There's a grenade! the tree directly southeast of me, there's got to be somebody on that tree. Just out of view of me. They must know that there's people here. Where we are. They're just not going to take that chance. We have a minute to barely move.
I'll be back soon, my loves.
Okay. I hear another silenced gun north. Sounds like a silenced sniper rifle. I hope you understand the instant we leave this building, we die.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I'm trying to think. Where can we push to? The trees west of us? I see people at the trees west of us. I kind of want to take shots because they're standing still. I could kill them. We have 10 seconds. We have to run at them.
Alright, if you can kill them, make it happen.
They're being shot from somewhere else now.
Alright, you want to move now?
I see Mr. M24.
Whoa, we have to go now.
Go. These sandbags. Boom. Boom. There we go. Behind us, outside the zone, people are still fighting. So we need to watch that way. We don't have to move very far again. M24 dude must have just gotten downed. Oh my god. Tell me if anyone's over that ridge.
Yeah, I'm crawling it now to see if I can see.
They have to be at that clump of trees right there. If I see him, I'm gonna shoot him because I have my suppressor.
There's someone at this tree directly in front of me. You want me to take him?
Wait. You don't have the silencer, do you?
I do not. 17 seconds.
I'm coming.
He's at this tree. Crawling behind it. See him? Crawling into the tree to the right. See him? He stood up.
I see him. We gotta go.
Got him.
Nice. Down the hill from us.
Damn, he downed me. There's two of them there. Can you res me? He pushed back.
He hopped on the bike.
Yep.
He left his teammate.
Yeah, but he's in a better position now.
I was killing his teammate.
There's a...
I need to heal. It's 2 singles left.
Give me a sec.
Yep, we both need to heal. We're fine so far. 2 singles left, though. I'm doing a hard flank. I see where he stopped the bike.
Alright, I'm pushing.
I'm crawling into zone. I don't see him, but I see his bike. Yeah, his bike is straight ahead of us. I think I saw him stand up by the tree by the bike. I don't know.
Yep, you saw him. He's on that
Yeah.
tree. Damn it.
Alright, boys, I'm back.
Shh. Fuck.
I'm sorry.
Med up.
I know.
That tree's in play, so.
I know.
He's above you. Yep. You're not quite in play, my bad. Do you have any frags? There he is, directly in front of you. Good work!
Let's go!
Good
5
work!
kills!
1.
You guys win?
Yep.
Yeah, we got the win.
Boys. W.
Yeah. I saw the movement last second. I was like, wait a minute, there he is. My dad called him out for me too.
Good work.